Fy wenu I di Dalton. Dwi studio coginio level 3 Coleg Llandrillo. I come from an English family and the early Welsh one, born in Wales. I went to Gymraeg as my secondary school. That was a semi-Welsh school. Then I've come here to Coleg Llandrillo to study catering, and now I'm learning a lot more Welsh. Yeah, because with having Glenn as a tutor, I've realised that I've learned basic key terms in Welsh. I've been confident in myself to speak to customers that we have here in the bistro in Coleg Llandrillo. I've just been more confident in myself by starting off with the keywords and building myself up to sentence structures and just natural confidence really, and then been able to help other people. With my lecturer Glenn as well, although I do catering studying, Glenn's also been given bilingual resources just to help, so I can look through different resources, Welsh to English, and it's just helped me have like a wider knowledge of what actually we do here in Wales and the language. Mae'n bwysig I communicator efo customeriad yn Gymraeg achosi dwi'n meddwl bod yn bwysig rhoi o opsiwn I customer. Mae skills Cymraeg yn bwysig achos bod ni yn Cymru. Da ni yn gwlad dwy eithog.